Understanding Seed Libraries, a guide to a unique concept in gardening and community sharing. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing and environmentally friendly concept called seed libraries. This video is designed to help English language learners understand what seed libraries are, how they work, and why they're important. So, let's get started and explore the world of seed libraries together. A seed library is a unique system where people can borrow seeds to plant in their gardens. Just like a traditional library where you borrow books, a seed library allows you to take seeds, grow plants, and ideally, return some seeds from your harvest. This system supports gardening, agriculture education, and promotes biodiversity. Seed libraries operate on the principle of sharing and community involvement. They can be found in public libraries, schools, or community centers. Members can take seeds for free, with the expectation that they will save and return seeds from their grown plants. This creates a sustainable cycle of seed sharing. Seed libraries offer numerous benefits. They encourage gardening among community members, promote sustainable agricultural practices, help in preserving rare or heirloom plant varieties, foster a sense of community and cooperation, provide an educational resource for learning about plant biology and agriculture. Despite their benefits, seed libraries face challenges like ensuring the quality and viability of returned seeds, legal issues related to seed distribution and patent laws, need for volunteers and resources to maintain the library. Seed libraries are more than just a collection of seeds. They're a testament to community sharing, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. We hope this video has enlightened you about the importance and functioning of seed libraries. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning. Happy gardening and learning!